So in this video, we want to talk about the difference between the two common formats um, of the hyperbolas, basically. So right now, what I entered in here is 2x squared minus y squared. If you look at that, you can see that I entered 2x squared minus y squared equal to 1. And you can see that the shape of the parabola is like that. Now, if I change this to, let's say, I'm changing it to -2 and then 1, and I get this shape. And this one is basically -2x squared plus y squared equal to 1. And briefly, this shape is basically looking like that. The other shape we were just doing that look like this. So my thing is that, well, do I want to always remember which shape I'm getting, right? So between and I just know that if I have a coefficient times x squared and another coefficient times y squared, and the sign of the coefficients are different, equal to 1, then I get one of these parabolas. Do I want to memorize it? I typically don't memorize these things. What I do is that I know that there's either shape 1 or shape 2. Shape 1 only has x-intercept, no y-intercept. Shape 2 only has y-intercept, no x-intercept. And that's how I go, basically. I know there's an x-intercept in here, so I set the y equal to 0, basically. I say, if I go with y equal to 0, do I get an x value? And this one, yes. So this one has x-intercept. And I try to do the same thing here. I said y equal to 0, and I don't get an x-intercept. So here, no x-intercept. And then I do the same thing for y. And that shape doesn't have a y-intercept. And if I check it over here, if I plug in x equal to 0, I do not get a y-intercept because it's -y squared equal to 1, right? X-intercept was 2x squared equal to 1, so plus minus square root of 1/2. And here, no x-intercept, because if I plug in y equal to 0, I get -2x squared equal to 1. And again, has a y, but it does have a y-intercept. By setting x equal to 0, I get y squared equal to 1, which gives me y equal to plus or minus 1. Basically, it's right there, right here. And so that's how I know which one of these to choose, basically.